Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today Knox and I have been reading this really cool book called First the Egg by Vaccaro Seeger. And this is such a cool little engineered book. There are cutouts in this book. Like this one says, first the seed, and then there's a little hole where you can see through the page to see the seed. Then the flower. And there's lots of kind of life cycle ideas, and it's about the passage of time. That's the mathematics in this book, passage of time. So for the activity that we're going to do, we're learning about passage of time and how things can change because of time. So we have a little lift the flap thing here that says first, middle, and last. And Knox has some cards that he's got 3 cards that fit together. Let's see, what have you got? Spaghetti. Can you show everybody the cards?
Spaghetti.
Okay.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Okay, spaghetti. So which one is first? All right, can you put it by the first? Woo. First.
This one's middle.
This one's middle where it's cooking. Okay, put that there.
And this one's last.
All right, let's check it. We lift up the flaps. First, the uncooked spaghetti. Middle, it's in the pot. Last, it's ready to eat. Yay!
That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
We have lots of other ideas that appeal to kids. Learning to ride a bike, making a cake. Of course, we have the chicken and the egg in here that goes perfect with the book. First the egg. Hey, I hope you're having a fun time teaching your kids about the passage of time. Thanks.